there, let's check out this TopMe 18-piece screw extractor and drill bit set. Comes with that protective film for shipping. All right, let's take a look at some of the things that you get. You get spiral screw extractors. And you also get left-hand drill bits. Here is, oh, they're really in there tight, which is nice. That's not going to just fall out when you open the case. This just says number 1, and then you go into the exact numbers, like this is an 1/8 inch. And it goes all the way up to 3/8 of an inch. And the case, here's what you get. Let me hold it up so you can see it. Did I drop one? I dropped one. And then you shut it like this. Fasten it shut like that. This was given as a sample for review.